Oh,
Oh, you ate everything. You didn't feel the chick there.
I think the chick is still in there.
Should put suka.
I'll just take a shot of the baby.
Save the best for last.
There's like blood vessels in there and stuff.
Let me see. Mm. Oh, yeah. Balut shot.
What's up, guys? So we didn't win anything at the costume contest, but we had a good time. We played some games. I don't know if we got video of the games, but now we're eating ice cream. She's gonna get some balut.
Ay, daughter. Ah, okay.
You wanna get one?
Yeah. But the vendor is on the pepperoni.
Hmm?
The vinegar.
This ice cream is really good.
Nakakagisuhin din. Ha? Nakakagisuhin. Bakit? Wala man. Adi ay? Baga. Ano din magod daw? Should try. Should also try.
Mm.
With a little salt. Wanna try? Why?
I just got done eating an ice cream. I don't want ice cream in balut.
Hmm. See that? Suka is the sauce, the main sauce.
How is it? Let's go 1 to 10.
10.
10?
The suka makes it good.
The devil approves of balut. Can you throw this away?
The devil got tired and eat balot. Isa po kasi. One more.
Yeah.
You look for the flat part. That's where you open.
Okay.
It's just a egg with a baby inside.
Okay.
When are you gonna try it?
Should I try it now?
That would be nice.
I'll let you finish and then I'll try one.
That's good.
Not me?
Lami. This is a must-have in every balut.
What is that?
Water with downy so you could wash your head.
Ah,
Because balut has a strong smell, right?
water with downy? Okay.
To remove the smell of the balut.
Okay.
Wanna try it?
I'll try one now.
What do you want? 18 days or 16 days?
That's the easiest one, you think?
16. The 18 has like grown up. Grown up chick.
Okay. Then
Isa
16.
pa ka 16. First time yung kaon. Wala na taog, yung isuka.
This the flat
Look
side?
for the flat, yeah.
This one?
Look for the flat surface.
Hard? Oh, that, okay.
Oops.
Sprayed.
Remember, you're not cooking.
Huh?
Remember, you're not cooking egg.
Okay. There's juice. Can you get a shot of the juice? Do I put something in here?
You should not put anything. Try it first without.
Tastes like fish broth.
You could add vinegar and salt if you want. You know, shot of vinegar. You like the vinegar?
It's spicy. It's good.
Mm-hmm. The vinegar makes it good.
Okay, let's take a bite.
Okay, don't look at it.
It's hard.
That's the hard part, the white part. It got hard. Ooh, his first time trying balut.
Wow. Is it on my face? It tastes like I'm eating a rubber ball. And this part's gooey.
Yeah, that's the yellow. And then underneath is the baby.
Salt. Holy shit. They're so hard.
Some people don't eat it because it's super hard.
Yeah, it's like a rubber ball. Yeah. Alright. Now suck this part out.
Mm-hmm. Don't look at it so you can't see the baby there.
Oh, it's so juicy.
The vinegar makes it extra good.
Oh,
Oh, you ate everything. You didn't feel the chick there.
I think the chick is still in there.
Should put suka.
I'll just take a shot of the baby.
Save the best for last.
There's like blood vessels in there and stuff.
Let me see. Mm. Oh yeah. Balut shot. Oh
Okay.
no, it's just an egg. Oh, very Pinoy. Washing it down. So how is your first balut experience?
My last balut experience was very nice.
Last?
Yeah. I don't think
You should try 18 days next time. It has bigger.
what?
18 days balut.
18 is a bigger baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
And maybe you
we'll do
could feel really the.
that. It was not my favorite. I can't believe I ate ice cream and then the balut after. Now I want ice cream to cleanse my palate. Oh, okay. She's got some ice cream. Okay.
That's why I always eat ice cream after.
Yeah, ice cream is much better.
Bye, solo ka balut.
We'll see you. So, that was my first time eating balut. It was terrible. Sucking the little baby chicken out of the bottom with vinegar and salt was kind of gooey. Someone is agreeing with me back there, I think. Wow, I don't think I'll do that again. And then the white was hard. It was like you're eating a rubber bouncy ball you get out of a gumball machine. So not my favorite, but I guess it's worth trying. Now I can say I've tried everything in the Philippines. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.